Here's a look at this Anker Nano power strip clamped to my desk. This is actually working out very well for me. It comes with the 5-foot power cord. This is a 10-in-1 surge protector. These on the top here, these AC outlets, there's 6 of those, and I'll show you on the rear part here in a moment. The 10-in-1 is 6 of those, 2 USB-A, 2 USB-C, and these USB-C ports, they actually both output at 70 watts. These 2 AC outlets have a cutout around them. That's because they offer a pop-up feature. So when you plug something in, you can see that the outlet pops up a little bit there. Then there's a little pinhole sized light that lets you know the surge protection is on. So this unit itself outputs it's like 18 to 1900 watts. And I know it comes with a 24-month or 2-year warranty. So I have my monitor plugged in here. I have my Mac system plugged in underneath. There's another AC outlet here for my second monitor. And then this block plug plugs my light in, and that actually worked out pretty good on the edge there. I think that's how I'm gonna leave mine connected with my wonderful cable management here. Needs a little bit of work. That's about the best I could come up with, and I'll probably just fasten this thingy up here. It comes with this thing here on your power cord. I'll put a link to this down in the description, but I just think it's a pretty cool power strip how it is able to fasten to the desk. I have this one clamped down to about 1 inch for my desk, and it does open up wider here. I think it goes to like 1.8. But yeah, I just thought I'd share that with you. This is going to work out well for me. It might help someone get organized a little better with their stuff. And I love the fact that it's a surge protector and it has those convenient ports on the front for charging. So if you found this video helpful and informative, hit that like button and share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.